How's everybody doing today? Are you guys having a fun day? We heard it's Superhero Day. Not only that, but we heard that you guys are learning about industry, right? Is that something that you're learning about? And so we're going to tell you about the music industry. And I heard that you manufactured some instruments yourself. Look, you guys, you made these, right? Did you guys make shaker eggs?
Farm are you on? City
No
farm?
idea. What's our next animal, Mike? You tell me.
I see you haven't been on a farm very much.
I don't spend much time on a farm.
This weekend, must do. That's where we're gonna go.
Doors, not the doors as in the band, but the doors as in the doors on the bus.
That's funny, Miriam.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut.
This is a guitar. And do we know about the guitar? So it's made out of, what's it made out of? Do you know what this is? What do you think that's made out of? It's made out of wood that comes from a tree. This is the body of the guitar. Tell me, what instrument is this? It's a violin.
Instruments? Who plays an instrument in here? Anybody play an instrument?
And who likes instruments? Raise your hand if you like instruments.
Up, up, up is our